Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create your Memoji. Well, it's quite easy, so let's dive right into it. First of all, I'm going to simply open a message box just like this. You don't need to send somebody a message in order to set up your Memoji. From here, your keyboard will be open and then simply tap on the emoji icon right here. So after doing that here, you'll need to tap on this man-like icon that you can see right on the left side right here. Tap on it and then all of your Memoji stickers will be opened. So in order to create your own Memoji, you'll have to tap on the plus icon that you can see right here. So after doing that, tap on Get Started. And now you can simply select skin color and all of the features of your Memoji. Here you can see I have picked all of my features and my cheeks, my beauty spot, and everything that I have in my face. And now for the hairstyle, I can simply tap on this hairstyle option right here. And from here, you can simply choose the hairstyle of your choice. And similarly, you can select brows just like this, and eyes, head, nose. And here you can see you have different options: mouth, ears, facial features, eyewear, your clothing, body, and a lot more that you can choose from. And when you're satisfied with your Memoji, all you have to do is tap on done. Just like this, here you can see I have selected all of my features, my clothing, my body, eyebrows, and everything however I want my Memoji to be. If you swipe to the left just like this, here you can also pick the pose of your Memoji just like this. And when you're done, tap on done just like this. And just like that, you have now successfully created your Memoji on your iPhone. When you want to use it, you can simply tap on the same man-like icon right here. Here you can get all of your Memoji right here and you can simply tap on it in order to use it to your chat. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.